Welcome to Back to Moto World, your ultimate destination for powerful machines and today, we're diving into a tank that blends lightweight agility with battlefield strength, the M8 armored gun system, or simply, the M8 AGS. This isn't just a tank, it's a story of innovation, ambition, and a bit of military history. The M8 AGS was designed in the 1990s as a potential replacement for the unshared light tank. The US Army was the fast and transportable armored vehicle that could provide direct fire support and operate replaced heavier tanks simply couldn't. It comes united defense with this futuristic concept. A highly mobile light tank armed with serious firepower and ready to deploy at a moment's notice. The M8 AGS was the designed for air deployment, level 2 and 3 added layers of protection, including composite and explosive reactive armor, giving it real battlefield survivability. Now, let's get to the firepower. And oh boy, this machine didn't disappoint. The M8 AGS was equipped with a 105mm M35 rifle and only fire accurately even when the it had an autoloader system with 21 rounds ready to go, reducing the crew size and increasing rate of fire. The loader needed period was all about speed and efficiency. Imagine rapid fire support, rolling in fast, hitting hard, and getting out clean. The tank's secondary armament included a 7.62mm scope. Could hit speeds of up to 72 kilometers per hour on roads. Off-road performance was solid too, thanks to a hydro-pneumatic suspension system. Whether it was rugged terrain, deserts, or urban combat zones, this tank was made to move fast and strike faster. But the real magic of the M8 AGS was its air mobility. The entire tank in its lightest configuration could be dropped by a C-130 Hercules aircraft. That's right, a parachuted into combat zones, landing ready for action. This made it ideal for airborne and rapid deployment forces like the 82nd Airborne Division. So, you must be wondering if it was so good, why isn't the M8 AGS part of today's US military? Well, here's where the story takes a turn. Despite successful testing and production of several prototypes, the program was cancelled in 1997 due to budget cuts. The Army had to make hard decisions, and unfortunately, the M8 AGS didn't make the cut. But that wasn't the end. The concept stayed alive, and in recent years, the idea of lightweight, deployable firepower has come back strong. By Systems who later acquired United Defense revived the AGS design and showcased an upgraded version under the name M8 Buford. It even competed in the US Army's Mobile Protected Firepower (MPF) program. The modernized M8 comes with better armor, advanced optics, upgraded electronics, and battlefield networking features. Still light, still deadly, but now more in tune with 21st century warfare. Although the MPF contract ultimately went to General Dynamics Griffin II, the M8 remains a symbol of how advanced and forward-thinking the original design really was. Let's talk about the crew. The original M8 AGS had a 3-person crew: commander, gunner, and driver. Thanks to the autoloader, there was no need for a 4th crew member. Inside, it was designed for high efficiency and fast operation. The fire control system was advanced for its time, offering thermal sights, laser rangefinders, and full digital controls. It could track targets on the move and engage multiple enemies without skipping a beat. Even in today's tank world, the M8 AGS would still be considered fast, flexible, and formidable. It was designed to fill out gaps between light reconnaissance vehicles and heavy main battle tanks, and it did that beautifully. It was stealthy when needed, strong when required, and swift in any scenario. From a design perspective, it was sleek, compact, and deadly. You could load it onto a plane, fly it across the globe, and drop it right into the heart of action. It was a perfect tool for modern combat strategies where speed and agility often outweigh brute force, and for fans of military tech, the M8 AGS remains a cult favorite. It's the tank that could have changed battlefield deployment forever, a machine that proves sometimes great ideas arrive a little too early. So, what does the M8 AGS teach us? It shows that not all powerful machines have to be massive. Sometimes, brains and speed beat brawn. The M8 was about precision, adaptability, and tactical dominance, and while it never saw full service, it remains one of the most interesting and futuristic tank concepts the US ever developed. That's it for today's episode of Moto World. If you enjoyed this depth dive into the M8 AGS, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what tank or machine you want us to cover next. Until then, keep your engines running, your gears grinding, and stay tuned for more military marvels, only here on Moto World.